Alright, YouTube, this is another a problem of long division of polynomials. So, k plus 2 divided by 4k cubed plus 6k squared minus 12k minus 10. So, what we can do first is do a quick check. So, you know k plus 2 equals 0, right? So you subtract 2 from each end and you get k is negative 2. Then, once you do that, you can do synthetics off to the side. So you get 4, 6, negative 12, and negative 10. Do this first. Negative 2 and 4 is negative 8. 6 minus 8 is negative 2. Negative 2 and negative 2 is 4. This is negative 8. Then negative 2 and negative 8 is positive 16, so you end up with 6, I believe. So anyhow, we're going to just start it off like this. What gets you 4k cubed? K and 4k squared. 4k cubed. 2 and 4k squared is plus 8k squared. You multiply by a negative to get negative 2k squared, and then that's minus 12k. So then it's minus 2k to get you negative 2k squared minus 4k. You multiply by a negative to get negative 8k minus 10. K and negative 8 gets you negative 8k. Then 2 and negative 8 is negative 16. Multiply by negative, and your answer is 6. Your remainder is 6. So that's why I prefer synthetic first, then do this. Don't do it the other way around, because this takes a little bit longer because this is harder. We'll do 2 more problems on this, then we'll do 2. We'll move around to by if the given binomial is a factor of the given polynomial, use long division. So that's just finding out if it's a factor. That's the same procedure, but that's something that you don't want to use synthetic division on. That's harder. So that only took 2 minutes this time. Okay, that wasn't that hard then. Let's give you number 9. So we have 5p cubed plus 4p squared plus 2. Now you must divide that by 5p plus 4. Please bear with me, I'm reading off a paper. Equals, so now you have 5p plus 4 divided by 5p cubed plus 4p squared plus 2. So then 5p and 5p cubed. So 5p and p squared gets you 5p cubed. Positive 4 and p squared gets you plus 4p squared. But look it, there's no p term, so put a 0p and then put your 2. That'll make it easier in the process. Pull your negative, this is 0p squared, and that's 0p. 5p and 0p gets you 0p squared, but you're going to take this out at the end. Then 4 and 0p gets you 0p. Multiplied by a negative, that's 0p plus 2. So then you add a 0, then you get 0p plus 0. Then afterward, you multiply by negative. 2 minus 0 is 2. Then afterward, you write your problem like this. This is your final answer is p squared plus 2 divided by 5p plus 4. This will get you the right answer 95% of the time, 95% guaranteed if you know the steps. You always have to invert this. So if you get plus 4p, and also there's a way to check it by multiplying it. This one's easy to check because look, p squared times 5p plus 4 gives you, well, it gives you the first 2 terms, 5p squared plus 4p. But that's your answer, number 9. Now, we're going to move on to number 10. Number 10 states that you must divide this. Hold on a second. Divided by 10v plus 6. So you're dividing 70v cubed plus 2v squared minus 8 divided by 10v plus 6. So we're going to now make our shell. And since that's 70v, so we're going to just put it in. But remember what's missing, the 0v. Just to let you know, in your answer, the 0v won't be there. That just helps you because it's a placeholder. It makes it easier for some people, including me. And I'm good at math, so 10v and 70v cubed. You multiply by 7v squared. 70v cubed. 6 and 7v squared gets you 42v squared. Now, remember this plus 0v. Remember, when you have x to the third and you have x cubed and x squared, remember, where's my x to the first? Because you don't want it, because otherwise you're making it hard for you, and you're making yourself more prone for mistakes. And no one wants that, right? You don't want that. It's a very bad thing to be more prone for mistakes. Okay, so now, after that, you take this, multiply by negative 0v squared plus 0v. Then 7v, 10v, so you multiply this, since it's 0v squared, you multiply 0v squared plus 10 to get 0v squared. Actually, hold on a second. 0v squared and 10v. So you just, because you're looking for 10v, I don't think it matters in this case, because look, you're getting 10. Wait, I think we should just, on this problem, I think we're better off doing it without it, because we can just imagine anyways. Okay, so 7v squared, 70v cubed, plus 42v squared, multiply by negative, that gets you 0v squared minus 8. Then you add a 0v to get 0v squared. That's when you're going to want to add in your 0v. Plus 0v, and then minus 8. Because then it's 0v squared plus 0v. And then after that, you multiply by a negative. Those terms just cancel out, and then you're left with negative 8. Then to check it with synthetic division, you just simply do this. So you have 10v plus 6. Well, the thing is that you're going to have to set this, in order to get it, 10v, I know this is a lot of steps, you're just going to have to memorize this, I'm sorry, that's how math is. 10v equals negative 6, divide by 10, divide by 10. Then you get v equals negative 3 over 5. Then after that, you can just put it in, but this is a harder way, but this is a way to check it. 42, and then you have 0, negative 8. So you have 70. So negative 3/5 times 70. So it's basically saying that negative 3/5 of 70. That's 5 is 1. 5. 70 divided by 5 really quick. 5, 1, 5, 2. So 14. That's 14. So it's negative 14 times 3, which is negative 72. Then after that, you multiply negative 3/5 times 70, which gets you 14, which gets you negative 72. So since that's negative 72, negative 72 and 42, this is the easy part. Negative 30, because we want to get negative 8. That's our goal. So negative 30 and negative 3/5. So divide by 5, that gets 1. Divide by 5, that gets you negative 6. So then it's positive 18. Then it's negative 3/5 times 18. Then after that, it's just, I would say, so 18/3 is 4, 2, 54 over 5. Well, that's the hard part there. But, because it's, well, the thing is that if you do it this way, 5, 1, 6. It gets you positive 18. No, that's correct. And this is why on a case like this, don't use synthetic division. That's why. It's all this work and it's really tough. I mean, Mr. Cos showed me this trick, but it was a good trick. I mean, he was doing his best. Oh, wait. I have a better way. So it's negative 3/5 times 18. Negative 54 over 5. Negative 54 into 5. 0.0, 10, 50, 4, 0, 0.8, 40, 0. So it's negative 10.8. So it's negative 8 and negative 10.8. So that gets you. But the thing is, that would make it harder. Like, it didn't get me the right answer. So negative 8 is your answer for this one. And I'm pretty sure of it. And that's the end of this video.